Okay, so a couple weeks ago, or yeah, it's months ago now, I had like a midlife crisis, quarter life crisis maybe, I don't know, but anyways, I had brown hair at the time and I really wanted to do something with my hair. The options were either green, blue, pink, orangey red, or blonde. And I was in the middle of debating what I was gonna do, and this company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted a wig from their site. I decided to order a blonde wig, and I thought to myself like, okay, I'm gonna accept this wig, and then maybe when I try the blonde hair on, I'm gonna like be satisfied. I'm not gonna ruin my hair by bleaching it, and I will be happy and content. The delivery of the wig took too long. Like 3 days after I ordered the wig, I asked my friend if she could bleach my hair, and so she did. And it turned out, you know, not great. And I had to go to the hairdresser anyways and get it fixed for a lot of money. It was not a fun time. And then a couple weeks after that, my wig arrived. Now I had kind of blonde hair on my head. I was $250 broker. Is that a word, broker? Now also had a blonde wig in the mail. That is kind of a good description of how my life usually is. It's kind of a mess, and yeah. So today I'm gonna answer some questions. I'm gonna update you on my like fitness journey of February, and I'm gonna do my makeup while I do all of this, and then I'm gonna try out the wig in the end. It's gonna be exciting. Let's just have a good time. Let's just have fun with this, okay? Why does my hair look so dark now? Okay, are you single? Yes. I think I'm actually the most single that I've been in my entire life. I'm not even like talking to anybody because I'm just, I don't know, I just really enjoy it. At least that's what I'm telling myself. No, but yeah, I'm very much single. How long have you been training? Like I've always been active. I played football, like soccer, ever since I was 10 years old, I think, until I was like 17 or something. But yeah, I've been like training for a lot of years, but I think I've been focusing on the 3 lifts. Okay, no, no I haven't. The 2 lifts, deadlifts and squats, for I don't know, maybe 3 years, 4 years, something like that. In that sense, it's kind of embarrassing that I'm not stronger than I am, but I don't know why I'm not stronger. What's your major and how do you balance exercise and school? That's a good question. I am studying computer science. Yeah, software engineering, computer science, whatever you wanna call it. And I don't really have a major yet because it's only a bachelor degree, but I wanna major in security. So when I do my master's degree, I'm gonna have mostly security subjects. That's the plan, at least. And how do you balance exercise and school? Balancing training and school is actually not hard at all, because school is like you do that in the daytime, and then training is like my big hobby. That is like my favorite part of the day is when I go to the gym. So like I get home from school and then I eat and then I go do the thing that I have been looking forward to do the whole day. So of course I have times when I'm not motivated to go to the gym, but usually I go anyways. And also I think it helps that I'm not training like 7 days a week. The days that I actually go to the gym, I'm really excited for. And also it's just about prioritizing. I could have just spent every night just watching Netflix. It's super easy to do that. I've done that, but it's just about prioritizing. I know how much it gives me, like mentally and physically and just everything, that I go to the gym. I just know how much it benefits me, and therefore I choose to spend 1 to 1.5 hours of my 24-hour, okay, not 24-hour day, but like 14-hour day to do just that. Favorite position. First of all, the person asking that should know. I thought I would be able to answer that, but I don't know if I can. I'm getting too awkward, so you know. Next question. Favorite memory from Australia. Like, the one thing that strikes my mind first is spring break. That was just such a special week, and that was like the week where we all like bonded really and where we just got to know each other so well, because we were together 24/7 for that one week. I also have a vlog from spring break. If you wanna see that, you can. We just road tripped from Sydney to Brisbane and lived in like some cool vans and made bonfires and had the best time. And the more I think about it, the more like memories I get from that trip, and it was just amazing. And that is also like, we went to so many nice places, so I don't know, there's just so much. But spring break is number one, definitely. Okay, so how is your fat loss going? Okay, so that brings me to kind of the next topic that I wanted to address in this video. In my January video, I said that I had gained a lot of weight in Australia and that I wanted to lose them. And the amount of dislikes on the video is just kind of funny to me. And I get it, like anybody saying that they want to lose weight, if they're not like really overweight, people don't like that. So I kind of found that kind of funny, and I get it, because the way I worded it in that video was kind of stupid, but I was kind of desperate in January, and I was like, it's just weird looking at yourself in a mirror and seeing something that you're not used to seeing. Like, you see your body changing, and it can really make you kind of desperate to like get your old body back. And I'm not saying that anything crazy happened or that I'm like fat now or anything. I'm just, any change to your body is just weird. Since then, I feel like I have calmed down a little bit and focused more on the long-term goals that I have. And my long-term goals is definitely not to be skinny. I love my curves, and my long-term goals is being strong as fuck. So I feel like I just lost track of my long-term goals for a minute. I just think that in the long run, my body is gonna turn into what I want it to be, which is strong and with a lot of muscles. So I'm kind of moving away from that goal that I set in January, and I'm still trying to eat as healthy as possible, just because I feel better that way. Yeah, but I have started on a powerlifting program actually, and I know that that is my long-term goal, so why would I work for something that doesn't support my long-term goal? In my last video, I talked a little bit about my new program and how I'm gonna implement it to my group classes that I'm taking, and I feel like I have figured it out. The workout plan that I'm following is 3 workout days. So I'm training the powerlifting program on Sunday, and then on Monday I have my Tabata class. Tuesday I have my powerlifting program again. Wednesday I have a Tabata class again, just another one. And then on Thursday I have my powerlifting program again. So that is 5 days a week, and that is the amount of days that I'm gonna train, and I feel like it's working good for me right now. So that is how I'm working out right now. Makeup is going really slow right now, so I'm just gonna finish my makeup and then we're gonna try this wig out. I look fucking crazy. What the fuck? What did I do? Oh well. Okay, let's try this out. I have no idea how to do this. I've seen some videos, but I think I'm just gonna wing it. Oh my god, that is so light. Oh, I'm actually really excited now. I feel like this is kind of a random thing to do for my channel, but when have I not been random on this channel? So it comes with like caps. Okay. Okay, so my final thoughts on this wig after a lot of back and forth is that it's actually too much hair. Like when you just look here, I think this looks pretty good. I love this actually from this angle. I might just cut like some of the under here because it just gets so big that it looks fake. And I also hate when my hair is like puffy. I like my hair to be flat on my head. So if I just take this away, I think this looks pretty good. This is how it looks. If you didn't know, I actually had blonde hair like 3 years ago, something like that, and I bleached it this blonde. I get flashback from that. I kind of dig it like when I hold here because I feel like this side is pretty flat and nice. This is my first time ever trying a wig, and yeah. And if I just manage to put my wig cap on properly and use a little bit more time on styling this hair, and I'm gonna put the name of this wig on the screen and also the discount code where you can get 30% off any wig you want. And yeah, god, this is so crazy. But yeah, I hope you liked this video and that you got to know some stuff about me from the little Q&A. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. The most negative thing about that wig is that you feel like shit when you take it off, and you feel like your hair looks like absolute trash.